welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Modern architectural scene featuring a sleek, design-forward home surrounded by a lush, tranquil garden. The setting is an evening ambience, with soft, warm lighting from the patio and garden, creating an inviting atmosphere. The modern home, made of large glass panels and wooden accents, reflects a seamless integration with nature, surrounded by tall trees and greenery. The layout includes illuminated stone pathways leading to various levels of carefully arranged plant beds with vibrant greenery, showcasing a mix of textures and colors like deep greens and earthy browns. Modern, minimalist outdoor living space featuring a contemporary house with stone accents and large glass windows, a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces, designed with a tranquil garden emphasizing geometric shapes, rich textures, and vibrant greenery. The setting is bathed in soft golden hour light, enhancing the warm wood tones and cool hues of stone. Includes a tranquil water feature, a stone pathway leading to a lounge area with stylish black chairs, lush grass with pots of colorful flowers, and carefully arranged plantings creating visual interest. Overall aesthetic is hyperrealistic with a serene, inviting atmosphere, emphasizing harmony between architecture and nature. A modern architectural scene featuring a luxurious villa with a sleek design, captured in hyper-realistic style. The setting includes a wooden deck surrounding a sparkling blue swimming pool, surrounded by lush tropical plants. The villa has large glass windows and a two-story structure, showcasing an open living space decorated with minimalistic furniture. The exterior combines textured gray walls with warm wooden accents. The scene is illuminated by natural sunlight filtering through the foliage, creating a tranquil ambience. The color palette includes rich earth tones and vibrant greens, highlighting the harmony between modern living and nature. A serene, modern home set against a lush, verdant backdrop, showcasing a blend of architecture and nature. The scene features a striking outdoor staircase made of natural stone, accentuated with sleek wooden steps, illuminated by warm orange lighting that enhances the inviting atmosphere. The steps are surrounded by abundant greenery, including various plants and shrubs, seamlessly integrated into the landscape. The house itself boasts large glass windows, allowing glimpses of a cozy, contemporary interior with soft, ambient lighting. The overall aesthetic leans toward hyper-realistic, capturing intricate details in the textures of the stone, wood, and foliage. A modern outdoor dining space seamlessly blending with nature, showcasing a sleek architectural structure featuring a flat roof and extensive glass walls. The aesthetic is hyper-realistic, with emphasis on the play of warm and cool tones. Rich wooden beams adorn the ceiling, contrasted by dark stone walls. The patio is surrounded by lush greenery and meticulously arranged landscaping, including a tranquil water feature with a gentle waterfall flowing into a small pond. Pathways of irregular stone slabs lead through gravel, guiding the eye toward a cozy dining area equipped with contemporary furniture. Modern outdoor living space featuring a sleek, contemporary design with a spacious terrace, a combination of brick and stone materials, complemented by warm wooden ceilings, a tranquil water feature with a small waterfall and ambient lighting, lush greenery surrounding the area, including carefully placed plants and shrubs, pathways made of large stone slabs leading through a pebbled garden, soft, warm lighting creating an inviting atmosphere during early evening, aesthetic style leaning towards hyperrealism with vivid colors and detailed textures, highlighting the interplay of natural and architectural elements. A contemporary two-story house nestled in a lush forest setting, designed with a mix of modern and natural aesthetics. The exterior features dark, sleek materials contrasted by warm wooden accents. The house is surrounded by vibrant greenery, with potted plants adorning the patio and lush grass underfoot. Soft, ambient lighting illuminates the outdoor spaces, enhancing a cozy atmosphere. The scene captures a spacious wooden deck with inviting seating arrangements, including comfortable gray armchairs and a coffee table, perfect for relaxation. Pathways made of large, flat stones lead through the garden, surrounded by dense foliage and exotic plants. A serene modern courtyard featuring a smooth black pebble pathway alongside a tranquil water stream. The scene is illuminated by soft, warm lighting, creating a calming atmosphere. Lush green plants, including ferns and ornamental grasses, line the edges, contrasting beautifully with the dark stones. The background showcases a contemporary architectural design with large glass windows that reflect the surrounding foliage. A cozy seating area with stylish outdoor furniture invites relaxation, enhanced by flickering candles placed strategically for ambience. A serene outdoor scene featuring a luxurious hot tub surrounded by lush greenery, in a contemporary setting that blends modern architecture with nature. The hot tub, metallic and sleek, is bubbling gently, contrasting with the smooth pebbles and wooden decking that frame it. Sunlight filters through tall trees in the background, casting dappled shadows on the ground. The color palette includes soft earth tones, vibrant greens from the plants, and warm wood hues. Nearby, there are stylish outdoor lounge chairs and a small coffee table, inviting relaxation. A serene outdoor lounge area under a wooden pergola adorned with soft glowing string lights. The setting is lush and vibrant, featuring verdant greenery that envelopes the space, with various potted plants adding depth. The flooring is a mix of polished wooden decking and stepping stones leading through a neatly trimmed lawn, creating a harmonious blend of nature and design. The furniture consists of comfortable gray couches with colorful accent pillows, a textured circular poof, and a small black coffee table at the center. The color palette consists of earthy browns, soothing greens, and hints of warm light from the string lights. A serene outdoor living space featuring a modern, two-story home with a mixture of dark wood and stone accents. The scene is set during the golden hour, casting warm, soft light across the patio area. In the foreground, 6 rustic wooden Adirondack chairs are arranged around a circular fire pit built with smooth stones, emanating a cozy glow. The patio is laid with irregular flagstones interspersed with pebbles and lush green grass, creating a natural feel. Tall trees surround the space, their leaves in varying shades of green, adding to the tranquil ambience. Serene Japanese Zen garden at sunrise, featuring meticulously arranged stones and sand, creating gentle flowing patterns. Lush greenery with vibrant shades of green from various shrubs and trees, including a prominent, sculpted pine tree that adds a focal point. Warm golden sunlight filtering through the leaves creates a soft, inviting atmosphere, casting gentle shadows on the textured surfaces of the rocks and sand.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.